Okay, I'm running Irondale's Please. Three of his puppies, three male puppies out of him. And then my red dog in here is Bulletproof Cherokee. He's a Woodrow male. And then I've actually got a Please daughter right there. She's not started yet. So everything other than the red color dog is off of Please. And Please is the dog in the front, the stub tail. These pups have been out in the starting pen. They're all started and looking pretty good. The red male's been started since last fall. The rest of these male puppies are all just about 7, 8 months old, I would guess. And like I said, everything on the ground, including the little girl here, is all off of the blue collar male there with the stub tail, Irondale's Please. And the red male there is off of Duke's Bulletproof Woodrow. These pups are a little thin. They've been getting some all day and all night running. They've all got really good mouths, stay pretty nice. The orange color male probably has more running than any of the other puppies. Go on, Cherokee. Go on if you got it. We haven't done something here. Don't have a whole lot of battery left, so I'm not sure. Maybe we'll try to get 5 or 6 minutes anyway. Now this little female's sister started. She's off of Please, and then these males are all off of Please. I've got a brother to her that he's going to be out here in just a little bit. We'll see if we can't get him started this weekend. Old man, lead him on, son. Maybe he turned in right here to the left, maybe. Let's see. There, Please says he turned in here, maybe. And that's what he done. Made a hard left. None of these pups have a lot of extra mouth. The green collar male and the red male both bark a little bit. Well, they both bark before the rabbit's up. I don't know if they're barking on field mice or what they're barking on, but once I get it, wow, that orange collar just made a nice turn if he got it. And he does. I got them starting good, I'll work on that barking around for the rabbits up. I don't really like to put anything on them or bump them with a collar until they're running real good. Yeah, that orange collar puppy's really taking over here and looks real good doing it. One of my best friends, Steve Toddy, had him up there running, and he looks nice. Steve still has a litter mate to him, and actually he got a male and a female pair out of him that's looking real nice. Let's see who gets this one up here. What deal we're having? Looks like Orange is going to hold on to it. They've all got their daddy's running style for sure. Alright, the rabbit may have turned here again. What'd he do? Cherokee says he's up there, but I ain't, we'll see here. Please was up there. Yeah, he did. He went straight ahead. There's where we jumped and put my Polaris up there, so he went a big old loop. I'm hoping they don't lose him because they ain't got many rabbits in the enclosure right now. So. Let's see what this puppy does when them other dogs get ahead of him. Let's see if he goes on up to them or what he does. He's just tracking the rabbit right now. It won't take him long. It won't be long. He'll be sticking right with him. This is actually how I like to see my puppy start. Plenty of time to get quicker, but I ain't ever seen many of them that start out real hard and then back off. I know some do, but most of them I have don't. We'll ease up here and watch these dogs here for a minute before my battery goes dead. There goes the rabbit right there. He was hunkered right down here on him. Old Cherokee's got him. That Bonnie had hunkered down right there in front of him. Right there, Cherokee. Right there. You ought to hit him. There you go. That wind is hitting him right in the face, so it's probably not. That rabbit took a couple big hops out of right there, so they ought to get settled on here again. Go on, Big Daddy. Go on, Big Daddy. Show them where it went. This Cherokee male here is going to make somebody a really nice dog. If you're interested in talking about these dogs, message me on Facebook or give me a call if you got my number. That red male right there, I think he's going to go right at 13. He may go under, but I run all big males. He's going to be a good one. And this one right back here, I'd say in another month or two will be right up here. I won't even be that long. A couple weeks, he'll be right up here with these guys. Get him to move up there. Come on, buddy. Hey, move up here with him. Come on. Go on. Get up there to him. Go on, buddy. Get up there to him. Come on, come on, come on. Get up there to him. Come on. Get up there, puppy. Get up there. Come on. Come on. Get up there to him. Come on, puppy. Get up here to him. Come on, buddy. He'll eventually know what I'm talking about when I get behind him. Get to him. Get to him. Get to him. Get up there where the fish are biting, as old Jim Blue used to say. Get up there where the fish are biting. Get up there. Now he'll track it to him, I think. Sometimes just put a little pressure on him, walking behind him, he'll realize what I want him to do. The old man can sure follow one. I hope I can get to Fayette, up to Fayette in 2 weeks. He's got at least one win on him. I know he will finish. If I can get him to enough trials, he'll finish. We're at 12 minutes, guys. My battery's down about 3%. And thanks for watching the video. I'll get this posted on YouTube. And thanks everybody for watching the video. Like I said, if you're interested in talking about any of these dogs, let me know. I'm going to have several to talk about, males and females. I've got several little males to start. Good running to you.